All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this truck has full body PPF, full front bumper here, all the white trim, hood, fenders, doors, A-pillars, bed, and tailgate. Looking at the tread, you got a lot of tread left. Date code on the tires, 2023, Nitto Ridge grapplers. Looking at that wheel, some light scuffs from just everyday washing, but I don't see any curb rash. So that looks good. Fender looks really nice. Side mirror's clean. Lens looks good. Looking at the door, all of that looks nice. You get down here, you're probably gonna have a couple light impacts on that film. You see some dirt underneath there where some lift is going on, but everything else looks good. And like I said, you have that film to protect it. Pillars look nice and clean. Even have it around the door handles, all in the door cup, all of that fully protected. Looks like some rocks impacted the film here. It's really hard to tell if it got through and impacted the paint. Kind of peeling that up. The paint looks good under there, I believe. Those look like they probably chipped it. If you look close, you can see the chips possibly. The rest of that looks good. That wheel's clean. Got the smoked taillights. Of course, exhaust. Got the ADD bumper, looks really good. Got the hard bed cover, smoked light. Bed looks good. Wheels nice and clean. Upper trim looks good. That looks nice. There is a little stain here on the film. I see a little bit of dirt almost. I imagine that can be kind of like polished out possibly, but I see a light spot there. That looks good. The rest of that's clean. Get down here, you're gonna see rock impacts, little things like that, but it is protected. That fender looks nice. No curb rash on that wheel. All of that looks really good. Now we're just gonna scan that hood edge up close. I don't see any rock chips there. Upper side, that looks good. That film has done a great job protecting this front end. There's one chip right there. The rest of that looks really good. Right, we're going on a quick test drive. We have 7,744 miles on the odometer. Now if you see any flickering here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. Shifts nice and smooth. You're going to feel a little vibration in the steering wheel from kind of aggressive tires. Alignment feels good. When you apply the brakes, the steering wheel does not shake or shimmy. Sounds really good. No complaints with the drivability. Alright, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Here on this handle area, you're going to see some little scratches in the leather. You're going to see some discoloration of some sort maybe, or maybe that's just some dirt in there, some dust, kind of giving it that look. Lower section looks nice. Got the all-weather mat, super clean. That looks good. Bolster's nice and clean. That bolster looks good as well. Really, really nice. Here on the steering wheel, you do have some Alcantara. It's nice and soft. Now this side is matted down a little bit, but still you can get the stripes in there. Looks good. Lower section looks nice. Upper side of the dash is clean. Looks like you have a phone mount here. The screen looks really good. Massive console. Got your plaque here. Really not much to pick apart in here. Really, really nice. Looking at this door panel, upper section looks amazing. Handles nice and clean. All of that looks good. Got your Hennessey mats here, WeatherTech. That plastic looks good. Seats look really nice. There's your badge, number 75. That cover looks good. Underside of the glove box, nice and clean. Upper side of the dash looks good. Really dark tint on that pano roof. Here on this door panel, looks perfect. This mat, you can see it's kind of lifting, super common on those. All that looks good. Here on the seat, really light marking there. The rest of that seat looks good. And then you got the enclosure down here with the TRX logo. That looks really good. Okay, checking out the engine bay. Of course, we've got the big plastic cover here, so you're not going to see much, but we can peek inside here a little bit. You're going to see the Hennessey logo there. All this plastic is in great condition. And then here on the underhood liner, that looks really good. I do see a scratch right there on the paint. Other than that, really, really clean. And then checking in the bed, you have a bed liner, and of course you do have typical dirt and stains in here.